Hello viewers, my name is Syed and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can make download, install and make a bootable USB drive for Ubuntu operating system. So we'll go to Google and type in Ubuntu. And the official Ubuntu website will come up, and then we are going to go into downloads. Ubuntu desktop, get Ubuntu desktop. So this is the latest version of Ubuntu LTS. So click on download and you will start to downloading, as you can see. And the next process is we'll download a bootable USB creator. So just type in Rufus and then create a bootable USB drive, easy way. So click on that and click on download latest release. I'll click on that and you'll start to download. Now we can close these windows and wait for the download to complete. And to make a USB drive, you're gonna need at least 8 GB of free space on the USB drive. So I'll wait till the download finishes and I'll get back. So once the download is complete, can check if the download is complete. So the Ubuntu download ISO file is complete and Rufus is complete as well. So I'm going to run Rufus as administrator. Click yes. Then USB drive is selected. So I'm going to select the ISO file. Click open. You can select MBR or GPT, it's up to you. It depends on the BIOS on your laptop or computer. I'm going to name it is Ubuntu and click start. Okay, click yes. So this process will take about 2-3 minutes depending on your computer speed. So once the copy is complete, so it will show ready. Then close the window and your USB drive is ready. I'm going to show you how I'm going to perform the installation process. So once the USB drive is ready, just plug in the USB on your laptop or computer you want to install Ubuntu on. This is the Dell laptop, so for boot menu I'm going to press F2. So hit the power button and keep on pressing F2. and I'm going to select the USB, click enter, and from this option try or install Ubuntu, so hit enter. So you can try Ubuntu from this USB, so you'll be able to log in straight to the operating system, and you can install the operating system on your hard drive. So I'm going to select install and select keyboard layout for whichever country you are from. So I'm going to select UK and click continue. You can select choose the internet, or if you want to ignore it, you can do so. So I'm going to ignore it. So select normal installation, click continue. So erase Ubuntu and LTS and reinstall. So this hard drive already had operating system, so if you want to keep your existing operating system and install Ubuntu alongside with it, you can do so. So I'm going to erase and fresh install, continue. Select the region you are from, so I'm going to select United Kingdom. Click continue. And name the PC, so I'm going to just type user and choose any password you like. So you can choose either login automatically or require my password to log in. Click continue. So once the installation complete, you just need to restart the computer. And then press enter.